Hello my dear friends, today I am making yummy lime juice. First we need lemon and sugar and some salt and some water. First we need to squeeze the lime on like this until it's not have lime. And again you need to do like this. It will never work, you not do the right thing. Then we need to put some sugar and some salt and some water. And mix it very well. Then we take the glass and we put the lime juice in. My yummy lime juice is ready. It's really yummy too. You can do it too. It's very easy. Bye bye my dear friends.